Hello, welcome to Comfycozyup. So I am going to be talking about what I want to read this month in June, but I'm going to focus it mostly on my unread books. And a few months ago, I had bought a bookshelf after seeing Denise from Denise Art Book Live, how she put all her unread book on the shelf. So that's what I did. And on this particular shelf, I have about 39 books on there. But I think I have maybe an additional 10 more books that's not on the shelf. A lot of them are classics that I eventually will read. But I also have about another 13 on my Kindle that I haven't read yet. And the reason why I'm talking about this is because in July, it is a big buying month for me because there's a lot of new books that I have been anticipating all year that is coming out in July. And for this month I was like, if I could get at least some of my Kindle read as well as my physical book that I have on my shelf read, I'll feel better when I buy more books. But but it's nice when I'm looking at the shelf and I can see like all the books that I haven't read yet and decide, okay, I should just pick this one up and see how that works. Also, a lot of the books are signed. So a lot of them are from book festivals that I've been to in the last 2 years that I had the author sign. I just never read the book. So I need to get on some of those. Also, I am still reading Ruined by D.E. Eliot. And this book it's giving me some kind of emotion that I don't like. So I'm like, I kind of want to read, more happier books. This is why I'm struggling with this book. But this book is sad. It's just so many times where I'm like, oh, that's just messed up. This is a book. It's a family drama, and in this book you have like secret that was unfolded in a very bad way, and it's just how they're dealing with it. And I find myself at times just like, oh, that's just so messed up, so messed up. But I'm definitely getting through it. It is, it's really it's a good book. It's really a good story. It's just one of those stories that would just kind of like snatch your heart a little bit. So, and that's pretty much. I just finished Corrupt by Penelope Douglas, and when I tell you, read at your own risk. It's one of those stories that you're not supposed to like, but you do. That's how I felt about it. And I'm probably gonna read the part 2 that I do have that on my Kindle, and a few other books that I want to read this month. But we'll see. It's gonna be one of those, I look at the shelf, okay, I'm gonna pick you today kind of thing I'm gonna be doing. So anyway, let me know what you're reading this month, and do you have like a lot of unread books and you're still collecting books? Let me know. Thanks for watching and have a good day.